Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Docs and creating a new document. Choose blank or a built-in resume template to jumpstart layout decisions. Next, set page size to letter or A4 and adjust margins to 0. 1 inch so content fits cleanly. Gather your contact line, professional headline, and 2 or 3 top skills to place at the top. Doing these steps now keeps structure consistent and prevents reformatting later, so you can focus on content rather than layout changes. Now construct the core sections: experience, education, skills, and projects. For each job, add role, company, location, and dates aligned to the right so the reader sees timeline instantly. Under each role, write concise bullet achievements starting with action verbs and quantifying results when possible. This improves impact. Make header hierarchy with bold and a slightly larger font, and use consistent spacing so sections scan easily. Once done, review flow so related items appear together, and arrange by relevance. Finish by cleaning up small details and exporting a PDF for consistent delivery. This locks layout across platforms. Run spell check and read the document aloud to catch awkward phrasing, and have someone else proofread for clarity. If spacing or alignment breaks, especially after copying from another source, use clear formatting or revert to a previous version in version history to restore stability. Finally, name the file with your name, resume date, and upload where needed, making sure contact links are clickable and current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.